In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make horizontal scroll in Frame. By the end, you'll have a clean, swipeable row that's perfect for carousels, product lists, or image galleries, all built directly in Framer with just a few settings. First, head to framer.com and open Framer in your browser. If you see the welcome screen, simply sign in and you'll land in your workspace. Next, open your project so you're looking at the canvas with your frames and components. If you already know which section should scroll, zoom in on that area so it's easy to work with. Now select the element that will act as your scroll container. In Framer, this is typically a frame or a component that wraps the items you want to move side to side. Click it once on the canvas or choose it from the Layers panel. A helpful tip here. For scrolling to be obvious, the content inside this container needs to be wider than the container itself. If everything fits perfectly inside, there won't be anything to scroll. With the container selected, look to the right-hand Properties panel. Find the overflow setting and change it to Scroll. This tells Framer that when content extends beyond the container's bounds, users can move through it rather than having it clipped or hidden. Keep your container's width set to the size you want visible on screen. Anything beyond that width is what will become scrollable. Next, in the Layout section of the same panel, change the type to Stack. A stack automatically arranges the layers inside your container and manages spacing for you. This is ideal for scrollable rows because it keeps everything aligned and consistent, even if you add, remove, or reorder items later. After that, set the stack direction to horizontal. This is the key switch that lines up your cards, images, or blocks side by side. While you're here, adjust the gap to control the space between items and add padding if you want breathing room on the left and right edges. Align items to the center for a balanced look or to the start for a more grid-like feel. If you're not seeing a scroll yet, make sure you have enough items or that each item is wide enough to exceed the container's width. Once everything looks and feels right, click Publish. Framer will generate your live link so you can share or embed it. That's it. Your horizontal scroll is ready to go, smooth and responsive, and easy to maintain as your content grows.